Hello everyone, we are the group 4. We are Eya Bouswalim, Amado Hario, Albert Sarsenj, y Paul Morgado, and me, Jao Michu.
Inside the workshop you can encounter different dangers, so if you're not cautious you can get hurt. In this video you'll learn about some real examples of workshop dangers and how you should act to avoid them.
In this case, in the video we can see that a worker was working on the electronic part and there was an oil leak, and due to more contact a small explosion was generated, and as a result of this the machinery caused fire. In this situation it is advisable to press the fire alarm and go to a safe area.
Next case is the most common one, is the electric case, which we need to wear gloves and glasses to prevent this accident. And here is the demonstration for this accident.
In this case, we are working with mechanical tools, a drill specifically. Without paying attention, I make a contact with the tool, so I supposed to wear gloves, glasses, ear defenders to protect this labor incident.
In this case, we are using a saw. When we are using a saw, we have to take preventions like gloves, glasses to prevent risks.
When we are using a moving robot, we're supposed to have a barrier area that prevents this accident, and the operator must quickly press the emergency button to stop it.
While working at height on an unstable ground, it is pretty easy to fall. In this case there was a collision resulting in a person injured. To prevent this case, you should secure the ladder to the floor, and if it was a more considerable height, use harness.
In this case, which is not common to happen, but if so, we had to wear head hats, secure on installation and structures.